So I'm going to walk you through the step-by-step guide on how to make up to $4,000 from this airdrop. Now, this airdrop has been able to raise up to $4 million from reputable investors. I'm going to show you how to do this on both your mobile phone and your desktop. Now, this project is called Stoke and is actually a deepin project. So it's basically similar to Grass, basically similar to NordPay and the rest deepin projects out there. But the good thing about this one is the fact that it only has 10,000 members registered. So that means you are an early bird and an early adapter. So right here, all you need to do is to install their Chrome extension on your desktop. And you can do this also on your mobile phone using Misi browser and Kiwi browser. Very, very easy. So as you can see up here, we currently have 10,000 users. So that's why I said it is very, very new. So right now we have installed the extension. So what you want to do right now is to make sure you sign up. So pay attention to this step and make sure you don't skip it. Now on this session, make sure you click on the sign up button right there. Now here you need to fill in your information. You need to fill in your email, your password, verify your password, and the most important thing is that you need to put into that referral code. Now that referral code makes you eligible. You can't do this without a referral code, and when you use the referral code, you basically get a welcome bonus point of 500 points. So I will leave that in the comment section below and in the description below. So make sure you make use of that referral code. It is very important. So right now you want to fill in your email and input the referral code that I talked about. So find it in the description below. So you want to click on create account. Now what they will do is that they will send you an email to confirm your account creation. So you need to head over to your email to receive the code. So here is the email. Now you need to copy the code and paste it on the other section. So you need to paste it right here and click on confirm. So right now our account has been verified and it has been created successfully. So what you want to do right now is to make sure you pin the extension on your browser right there. So you need to click on it right now. And another thing you need to do is to make sure you turn on your verification. As you can see, it is turned off. Now you want to turn it on so that it will start mining and start making you points. As you can see right now, we have turned on our verification, and right now we are started mining the Stoke airdrop. So right here you can collect your referral, also to invite friends, and it gives you extra point. So it's as easy as that. It's similar to NordPay. It is similar to Grass airdrop. So it's just as easy as that. So make sure you do this on both your desktop and your mobile. So in case you don't have a desktop or a laptop, you can do this on mobile by downloading the Kiwi browser or Misi browser. They are all the same thing. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you definitely jump on this airdrop. Please don't fade on it. Until I see you in my next video, take care of yourself and God bless, and check the description below for the links and other amazing airdrop projects.